Go, Steve. Cars on track.
Copy, all cars on course.
Michael through the pits. Michael through the pits.
Michael, roll through the pits, listen for Jim D.
Yeah, Michael, slow roll here. Got one coming out in front of you, but I'm going to send you. That'll get you around this car here. Easy, easy, easy. Go, 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 go.
Steve, in the one car, you got to get your eyes farther ahead, guy. Get those eyes way farther ahead.
Should be a second gear through there, Steve.
Brandon, stay up there, buddy. I'll get you a pass through next time.
Pits again there, Michael. Pass through the pits again there.
Yeah, same thing, Michael. A little bit of a leapfrog here. One coming in front of you. Got plenty of time. Easy. Go.
Steve, we'll have you pass through the pits this time. Steve, pass through the pits. You're just going to go straight ahead through those cones in front of you and listen for Jim.
See, nice and easy here. Slow down just a little bit for me. Got a couple of cars I'm going to get by and you're going to roll back out. Hold right there for me there, Steve. Put off the brakes for me. Stand by. Silver gray, M5's coming and you're gonna go. And Steve, good to go.
Rob through the pits, Rob through the pits and the 3 car.
Rock on, Rob. You're clear. Do it, do it, do it. Watch your speed down there now. You'll be hauling the mail down there. So big brakes.
Ron, we'll have you pass through the pits this time. Ron, pass through the pits.
Might work out real good here, Ron. I think it's going to give you a nice big gap. Yes, sir, it sure is. Come on through. Nothing in front of you now. What's your speed? Down at the end of the straightaway. Alright, brake earlier, back down to second.
Alright, Michael, one more time through the pits, sir. Michael, one more time through the pits.
Go do the same thing, Michael. Keep rolling here. You'll get that car, but there's one coming out in front of you. So let's time it here. Looking good, and you can go. Michael, you ever going to get a chance to run through this uphill S here? I don't know, man. Trying to lap the field on us, I think.
Guys, don't turn till you get to the blue cones. 3 out of the last 4 cars coming into the big man corner have turned too early.
Rob in the 3 cars through the pits. Rob in the 3 cars through the pits.
Yeah, Rob, it's going to get you a big gap here, buddy. It's going to be good. You're going to be able to roll through without stopping. There's still about 75 miles an hour or so. Oh, yeah, nice and easy. You're looking good, man. You got nothing out there. Be careful about putting wheels in the dirt. That's a little dust kick up down there, Rob. So be careful about dropping a wheel there. That'd be very exciting.
Jeremy, you're consistently turning too early on the entrance to the big man corner there, the one you're in right now. On the entry, stay wider left before you turn in. Just go to the blue, turn in.
You just didn't quite slow it down enough for that chicane there, Garrett. That's why you clipped that cone.